until you stop doing what you're doing.
I've never seen this happen before in Australia.
There has been ongoing conflict.
They're a YouTube phenomenon.
It was game over.
This is the future of Australian hip-hop, right here.
Growing up, we've always had run-ins with police. They just look at us as like criminals.
Where we're trying to divert kids from violence, this group was using lyrics of inciting the acts of violence.
Retaliation is a bro.
This video is lit as
Guess growing up around it, we got sucked into it.
Violence becomes the means for you to achieve a status.
There's nothing unique about art that talks about violence, but for some reason when it comes to hip-hop, we're having that debate all over again, and I think it's because of who's telling that story.
If you're constantly being profiled by police and you feel insecure and unsafe in your own community, you're gonna get angry.
The real controversial aspect of 1-4 definitely became a double-edged sword.
It's like this yin and yang. You have the street, and then you have the music.
We started to see the violence escalate with the street gangs.
Lex, my little brother, and Sally got locked up. P got 4 years. Lex got 4 years and Sally got 10. I thought, like, how are we gonna be able to hold up the crew while they're gone?
They were just starting to turn their lives around, and then they're back in trouble with the police again.
One thing I want people to understand is how important it is to find something you love and then run with it. That's the one thing that helped us get out of a lot of the bull we had to go through.
We knew that the police were going to try to do whatever they could to disrupt. We had no idea like to what lengths they would go to.
The way that the police are being used to target 1-4 is something that has never been seen in Australia.
Where we have a problem, we are lawfully harassing that group, and we don't apologise for that.
But is the New South Wales Police an adequate judge of what is acceptable and what's not?
Hip-hop is the biggest genre in the world, and yet we want to deplatform it and censor it.
If the police are successful in destroying a group, it's a dark day for Australia and freedom of expression.
You know there's a lot more to lose if you lose, so we can't lose.
If that's your thing, it's gonna keep you out of trouble, keep you busy so you're not on the streets, I'm good with that.